Hi, welcome back to yet another session. Today we are discussing about a problem that is longest common subsequence problem. It is an application of dynamic programming. So let us start. Let us try to see the objective of this particular problem. We are given with two sequences of characters. We have to find the length of the longest subsequence present in both of them. When we say something called subsequence, the characters will appear in its relative order. It is not necessary all the characters will appear contiguously. So see here in sequence 1 we are given with B, Q, D, R, C, V, E, X, Y, Z, and in sequence 2 the characters are given A, B, C, V, D, E, X, Y, Z. So what we'll do? First character of sequence 1 will try to match with the first character of sequence 2. If it matches, okay, otherwise we will go to the second character. Now here B and B matched, so what we'll do, we'll take the second character of first sequence and try to compare with the first character of the second sequence. So B and Q and A didn't match, Q and B didn't match, Q and C, Q and V, Q, D, Q, E, Q, X, Q, Y, Q, Z. So like that we'll try to compare each and every element and find our common subsequence. So here let us say the same sequence if you are given, and if you will try in that way, the common subsequence that you are getting, you can see that the order in which B, D, E, X, Y, Z appeared in the first sequence, in the same order B, D, E, X, Y, Z appear in the second sequence also. Their relative positioning are same. Here the subsequence is having length 5. But is it the maximum subsequence? Instead of taking D after B, if we'll take C, because C is a character here in sequence 1 as well as in sequence 2. So if we want to take C, B, C, V, E, X, Y, Z is one more subsequence we are getting, which is of length 7. So you see we are trying to find the longest subsequence which is present in both the strings. Let us see the algorithm. Here X and Y are two strings given and Lij is the length of longest subsequence. Then what we'll take here? We'll take two loops for I equal to 0 to length of X, and next one is for J equal to 0 to length of Y. If X is equal to Yj, then assign Lij element as Li minus 1 J minus 1 plus 1. If they are not same, what you are going to do? We are going to take the maximum of Li minus 1j and Li and j minus 1. So before we go and try solving this problem, I would like to request you to take a pen and paper and work along with me till the end of the video so that you can understand it better. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe it. So here we are taking the same string. If the first string is having length n and the second string is having length m, then we'll take a matrix of order n plus 1 cross n plus 1. And in the first row and first column, we'll mark with zeros. That indicates either the first string is 0 or the second string is 0 or both of them are 0. Now let us try to see the value with A and B. So this value we want to fill. Here I equal to 0, J equal to 0. Xi value is A and Yj value is B. It means Xi A is not equal to B. So we are going to take Lij equal to maximum of Li minus 1j and Lij minus 1. It means what we are going to do? Out of these two elements, which one is maximum, we are going to write here. So let us take the second one. Here also Xi value is A and Yj value is Q. So what we are going to do? We are going to take the maximum. For easy understanding, you can see if we are going to take this element, then we have to take the just upper element and just left element. Between these two elements you have to take the maximum. For this cell, just upper element is 0, just left element is 0, so we have to take the maximum of these two and the value is 0. For the next one also, A and R, they are not same, that's why we are going to take the maximum to be 0. For A and C, they are not same, that's why you are going to take 0. For A and V are not same, that's why we are going to take the maximum. A and E, they are not same, that's why we are going to take the maximum. A and X, they are not same, we are going to take the maximum. A and Y, they are not same, that's why we are going to take maximum. And A and Z, they are also not same, we are going to take the maximum. So the first row we have completed. Similarly, we will go to the second row. Here I equal to 1 and j equal to 0. You can see xi value is b here and yj value also is b here. Now it matched. So what we are going to do? Xi here, xi equal to yj. So Lij value we want to take at Li minus 1, j minus 1 plus 1. Li minus 1, j minus 1 is this cell and we want to add 1 to it. So the value will become 1. So instead of saying that L minus 1 and j minus 1, we can say its immediate left hand top corner, and we'll keep on marking wherever this arrow down keys are there. And the second element we are going to compare B and Q, so that's why we are going to take the maximum. B and D, they are not same, we are going to take maximum. B and R, they are not same, that's why you are going to take maximum. B and C, not same, that's why we are taking maximum. B and V, not same, we are taking maximum. B and E, not same, we are taking the maximum. B and X, not same, we are taking maximum. B and Y, not same, we are taking the maximum. B and X, not same, we are taking the maximum. Second row also got completed. Now come to the third row. So third element I equal to 2, j equal to 0. So the first element is C, second element is B. They are not same. Again repeating, for a cell when its elements are not same, we will take just left element and just top element and take the maximum of this two. Now C and Q, they are not same, so that's why we are taking maximum. C and D, they are not same, so that's why taking maximum. C and R, they are not same, that's why taking maximum. Now you see C and C, they are same, that's why just immediate left hand corner element we are taking and we are adding it to 1. It becomes 2 and we'll keep pointing the arrow mark. Now C and V not same, that's why we are writing the maximum. C and E not same, we are writing maximum. C and X not same, we are writing maximum. C and Y not same, we are writing maximum. C and Z not same, we are writing maximum. Third row is also completed. Let us start with the fourth row. I equal to 3, j equal to 0. So xi value is V, xj value is D. V is not equal to D, so that's why we are taking maximum. V and Q not same, that's why we are taking maximum. V and D not same, that's why we are taking maximum. V and R not same, we are taking maximum. V and C not same, we are taking maximum. Now next one is V and V. So that's why we are going to take just above left corner element and adding it to 1. So the value becomes 3. The next element V and E, they are also not same, so take the maximum. Now V and X, they are not same, take the maximum. V and Y not same, take the maximum. V and Z not same, take the maximum. So fourth row is also over. Now take the fifth row. I equal to 4, j equal to 0, xi value is D and yj value is B. D is not equal to B, that's why we are taking the maximum. So D and Q, they are not same, so taking maximum. D and D, now they are same. So Li minus 1, j minus 1 plus 1 we are taking, it becomes 2. and we have marked the arrow mark. Now D and R not same, taking the maximum. D and C not same, taking maximum. D and V not same, taking maximum. D and E not same, so taking maximum. D and X not same, taking maximum. D and Y not same, that's why taking maximum. D and Z not same, that's why taking maximum. So fifth row is also completed. Now talk about the sixth row. I equal to 5, J equal to 0. Xi is E and Yj is B. E is not equal to B, that's why taking maximum. E and Q not same, taking maximum. E and D not same, taking maximum. E and R not same, taking maximum. E and C not same, taking maximum. E and V not same, taking maximum. Now E and E is same, that's why left hand top corner plus 1. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4 here. So E and X not same, that's why taking maximum. E and Y not same, taking maximum. E and Z not same, taking maximum. So sixth row is completed. Come start with the seventh row. X and B not same, that's why taking maximum. X, Q not same, taking maximum. X, D not same, taking maximum. X, R not same, taking maximum. X, C not same, taking maximum. X, V not same, taking maximum. X, E not same, taking maximum. X, X now it is same, so we will be doing 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now X, Y not same, taking the maximum. X, Z not same, taking the maximum. Now if we will continue with the same process, with the next row, we will continue up to Y and X. That will be, we will take maximums only. Now Y and Y become same, so we will be writing 5 plus 1, 6. And Y and Z, it is not same, so we are taking maximum. Now we will be having the last row. Up to the last but 1 it is same, and the last one Z and Z are same, that's why we are taking 6 plus 1 is 7. Now we have seen that 7 is the largest value which is pointed by an arrow. Then we can say 7th is the length of the longest subsequence. But then how to find which actually is the subsequence? Let us see how to find the subsequence itself. So the steps here we can write. Start with the cell with the optimal length. Write the character if an arrow pointing to the cell, that is cell Lij. Follow the tail of the arrow and take the cell for consideration. If that cell has a pointing arrow, then write the character. Otherwise, compare the values of Li-1j and Lij-1 and go in the direction of a greater value until you find an arrowhead pointing to it or the starting cell, either starting row or starting column. Now we are having this particular cell. Here element Z and Z, row and column are same with the length 7 and arrowhead is pointing to the cell 7. So we will write the substring is Z and we will see the tail of the arrow, that is pointing to 6, and here also Y and Y are same and this cell is pointed by an arrowhead. So we will write the substring is Y and Z. Now see this arrowhead and follow its tail. The tail is following towards 5 and 5 is pointed by an arrow. So X and X are same, so that's why the substring become X, Y and Z. Now follow the tail. The tail, it is pointing to cell having value 4. So this cell is also pointed by an arrow. So that's why E and E remains the same. So the substring is EXYZ. Now follow the tail of the arrow, that is this particular cell with value 3. But this particular cell is not pointed by any arrow. So what we'll do? We'll try to see how we got this value? The maximum of 2 and 3. So the maximum of 2 and 3 is 3. That's why we'll go up. That particular value is now pointed by an arrow. So write the string, include the element V. So the substring becomes V, E, X, Y, Z. Now follow the tail. Now you are finding a cell with value 2 and it is pointed by an arrow. So select that particular value and write the substring as C, V, E, X, Y, Z. Now follow the tail. The tail is not pointed by an arrowhead. So try to find the maximum, how you got the maximum value. So maximum of 0 and 1. So follow in the direction of maximum value, that is 1. Now when you found this, it is not followed by a particular arrow. So again you are trying to find the maximum of 0 and 1. So again the maximum goes in the left hand direction. So go in the left hand direction. Now here also value is again we got from the top and left elements maximum, and we are going in the maximum direction, that is 1. Now we found a cell which is pointed by an arrow. So we'll write that particular cell. Now if we are following the tail, we are coming to the initial string. So the substring is B, C, V, E, X, Y and Z. We are seeing the algorithm once more. If both the characters are same, then we are taking just left corner element and add 1 to it. And if both of them are not same, then we are taking the maximum of the just top element and just left element and write the value in Lij. So the complexity of the algorithm is order of mn, if m is the length of first string and n is the length of the second string. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching, keep learning, and please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please press the like button. Thank you.